To add the secure Wi-Fi widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. Next, tap on the left-hand side panel. From here, tap on Add Widgets, or tap on the widget panel. Then a list of widgets will appear, so you want to scroll down and then tap on Secure Wi-Fi. Now here, choose a small size widget or a large size that will add to the widget panel. Then tap on Done. After that, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now press on the Start button to lock your screen and then go to your lock screen. Now tap on your Secure Wi-Fi widget to try it. Here we'll ask you to set up first before you can use it. So I will turn on. And I will tap on the Protect button. So if I go to my lock screen now, you can see I can tap on it to view my Wi-Fi, secure Wi-Fi. So tap on the icon to turn it on or off. And if you tap on the left-hand side panel, it will open up secure Wi-Fi. So again, on the lock screen, tap on the icon to turn it on or off. Tap on the right-hand side of the widget will allow you to go directly to your secure Wi-Fi setting. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.